guys, welcome back on Slikhaar TV. My name is Choban and here we have Oscar at the studio.
Hi guys, I just came here today to get something new, something fresh for the summer, so let's see what he can do.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I try, my love, she keeps me warm.